Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down how to start equity trading for beginners in a simple step-by-step way. All right. Now, equity trading starts with understanding what equities are. Okay. Equities represent ownership in a company. All right. When you buy shares, you are not just investing, right? You are actually becoming a part owner of that business, right? Now, equity trading is the process of buying and selling those shares on the stock market. Now, let us talk about how equity markets work. Stock prices do not move randomly, okay? They change based on supply and demand, right? They also change based on company performance, economic news, and even global events. So now, knowing these factors gives beginners a foundation for why prices rise and fall. The next step is choosing the right broker. All right. If you want to trade equities, at least you should have the right broker. Okay. A broker provides access to the stock market, a trading platform, and the tools needed to analyze equities. Okay. Of course, the broker should be the one that offers equities trading, right? Now, for beginners, it is important to pick a broker with an easy to use platform and strong educational support so that you can learn while trading, right? So, after you have chosen a broker, the next move is opening a trading account. All right. Many brokers also offer demo accounts, and this is where beginners should start. A demo account allows you to practice placing trades and learning how the platform works without risking real money. So now it's a safe way to build confidence before entering the live market. Okay, it's also essential to understand the different types of orders, right? Market orders let you buy or sell instantly. If you want to buy an equity or sell an equity, market order is the kind of order that allows you to do that immediately, instantly, at the best available price. Okay, then we also have limit orders. All right. Limit orders give you control by letting you set the exact price you want to trade, right? Maybe you have done some analysis and all of that, and then you are expecting price to get to a particular level based on your analysis. And then, you are not really expecting yourself to be on your chart all day, watching out for when price is going to get there. So a limit order allows you to set a pending order at a particular price so that when price gets there, that order is going to get triggered. Okay, so even if you are not online at the time, when price gets to that particular, when current price gets to that particular pending order, gets it triggered, and if your analysis is correct, well, you have price return back in your direction. Okay. Now, we also have stop loss orders, which are designed to protect you by automatically closing your trade if the market moves against you, right? So if the market goes against you, you have a stop loss order that closes the trade against you, or rather closes the trade in loss, okay, to prevent you from losing more than you had already budgeted to lose, right? Now, learning how these orders work is a key part of equity trading. Another important step is research and analysis. All right. Fundamental analysis looks at the company's health, earnings reports, balance sheets, and industry trends. Technical analysis looks at price charts, patterns, and movements to predict where the stock might go next. Okay, so now beginners who learn to combine both fundamental analysis and technical analysis will have a stronger foundation for making decisions. Okay, risk management is one of the most critical elements of equity trading. Never put all your money into one stock. All right, it's very, very advisable that you diversify your investments across multiple companies and set limits on how much you are willing to risk per trade. This protects you and helps you build discipline as a trader. All right, so now to summarize, learning how to start equity trading for beginners involves a few key steps. First of all, you need to understand what equities are and why prices move. It's very important that you do that. Okay. Secondly, you have to choose a reliable broker. Super important. Brokers that offers you the right tools and support. Thirdly, you have to practice using demo accounts. Okay. Before you trade live, you have to practice on a demo account. Fourthly, you have to learn how to use the different order types effectively. All right. Fifth, you study both fundamental and technical analysis. And finally, apply strong risk management to every trade that you make. All right. So by following these steps, equity trading becomes less overwhelming and far more structured for beginners. All right. So if you found this guide on how to start equity trading for beginners helpful, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tutorials every day. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.